Hey, how you guys doing? This is RG, just here at Giovanna Wheels, and I want to show you guys a different kind of sports car, and I want to hear you guys' opinion. What do you guys think of this car? No, it's not a Ferrari. No, it's not a Lamborghini. It's something totally different. There she is. This thing is freaking insane. It's fast. I don't know, it's the future, I guess. I'm not a huge fan of it, but I gotta admit, it's something really crazy. It's insane fast, and the technology on this car is totally something else. As you can see, it's recording this right now. Notice someone next to the vehicle. Just put these custom wheels on it right now. Custom 22-inch Giovanna wheels, staggered fitment, big closed cap. I think very unique. So yeah, I guess this is the future, guys. What do you guys think? Or do you guys prefer exotics? Let me know, and more videos coming soon.